What is up, guys? My name's AliA. Today we are going to be talking more about FRHANK. We're going to be playing in this crazy awesome Minecraft map as well. If you guys don't know, last week this huge cube thing was put in my garden. All it says is FRHANK on it, and throughout the week on this FRHANK website has been clues every single day. You guys have been tweeting me about them, letting me know what the clues are, how to solve them, and we now have all of the clues out in the open, and the final one is actually a link to this Minecraft world that you can download. Within this video I'm going to be going over all of the clues leading up to this one, also letting you guys know how you can download this map and jump in it yourself to start figuring out more about what's going on, and it's going to be a load of fun. So let's take a look at all of the clues first, go through them, and then we'll have some fun in the Minecraft map. Okay, so we are on the FRHANK website. As you can see, all of the clues are unlocked. I'll leave a link to this down below in the description. Day number 1, clue 1 became unlocked. But what on earth was all of it about? All that we were given on screen here was this, which is essentially just a load of cubes, right? Well, if you open up any sort of document or anything like that, so you basically copy these cubes and you copy them, and we'll place them into, say, for example, this notepad here, you can see that it gets translated into 0 and 1s. And if you go ahead and actually take these 0s and 1s and actually put them into a binary translator, binary being just 0s and 1s, you can actually change it by right-clicking into a actual link. So those numbers actually made a link for us to go on. If we go onto that link, it will take us to a website. This turned out to be the Robo-Savvy website. And I was like, okay, it's a website. And then you guys were like, but look, there's a FRHANK purchase item on here for £4 million. And if you go onto it, you can see do not purchase this, classified. Loads of you guys have commented. And if you click add to cart, you get given a clue. The clue being where blue leaves bloom and fall. Now, all of these clues, I believe, actually link into that Minecraft map that we were on at the beginning. And all of those clues are going to basically send us to different points in the Minecraft map. So each of these clues I'm going to leave in the description so you guys can have a look at them as well. But that was the first one. So going back to the homepage and jumping on to the second one. Just a ton of words, ton of stuff, and my name's even on there. If you go, you can have a look at AliA, you got Slender, you got zombies in here as well. Lots of you guys picked up on that one. But one of these words was actually slightly different, and you guys managed to pick it out. And if we take a look just here, it may be hard to pick up, but there's a very slight blue box around it, and it says, "It rests atop nature's church." That is clue number 2. So all these clues actually turned out to sort of be hinting at locations in this Minecraft map. Number 3 was very interesting. What on earth's going on here? If you actually go and click on the piece of paper here, we are actually given a word search. And this actually came up, if you go and find all of the words, it came up and actually results in look into the future mind. Very cryptic clues here, but that was the third clue. A little bit of a word search for you guys. So we're 3 down, 3 more to go. On the 4th day, this comes up, and this one isn't easy. This one essentially used a letter switching technique, meaning that these letters, you didn't just put them directly into the box, or it would just be gibberish. But certain letters would be switched out for other letters, and if you did it correct, you can actually get... I'll bring up the Gazo here. You can actually get find it where the angel falls. Another clue there. Again, all these will be linked down below in the description. So we've got 4 clues, 4 locations for what we now know is within the Minecraft map. Number 5, you can actually move along the bottom row of all of the 4 rows here. I'm going to try and do this one. Hey, I've done it already. So the top row starts here, and it says find the... And all of the rows can be lined up effectively, and essentially it results in it being said, as you can have a look here, find the truth hidden below. So I guess we're going to have to sort of go down, maybe underneath the Minecraft map. And then we finally have, for number 6, this, just half a heart. Now if you start spamming the keyboard, you can actually get inputs, and if you do it wrong, nothing will happen. But up is the first correct input. And for those of you guys may not know, you may know, there's a very famous classic Konami cheat code that you can enter in certain games, and this will basically give you, I want to say it was a cheat code for like invincibility or something, or just it basically unlocked the whole game. Essentially you do up, up, down, down, left, right, and I'm entering all of this through my directional pad on the keyboard, and then B, A, and then once you do that, you get the final clue. What would your mother say? That's not the clue, it's just, we've been cheating, so don't tell our mums. The clue is ascend the tower straight to heaven. So that, my friends, is all of the clues, and finally today, the final one became unlocked, which is this, and if you click it, it will say download the file. So download that. And you get a little download folder, and now I'm going to show you guys how to get this download folder and actually put it into your Minecraft so you can play it yourself. Alright, so we've downloaded the file. It should be within your download folder on your computer, and you can see the download here. Don't worry, my folder may look a little bit different to yours, but essentially within the folder, the one you want to be grabbing is the FTC CTC folder. So go and grab that and copy it, or just have it ready basically to copy, because what you want to do next is go to search. This is on PC. If you're on Mac and anybody can help, please help down below in the comment section. You want to type in app data with those little symbols before and after it, and then open up your roaming folder, and right at the top you see .minecraft. .minecraft folder is essentially where everything for Minecraft is saved, so don't mess around with these folders. But the one you want to go into is saves, because saves is basically where all of your world saves are at. You can see, like, I've got like Pixelmon saves in here, loads of different saves. Basically copy over the FTC CTC folder within here, copy that over to your saves folder. You can see I've already done it. I've got mine right there. That will then allow you access to the Minecraft world, so let's jump into it. Alright, so now the fun begins. We're in the map. Let's go, baby. This is where you spawn off, and we have all 6 clues. As I said, I'll leave them down below in the description so you guys can take a look at them. We're going to be trying to find the clues in order. I'm not going to find all of the clues in this video because the whole point is that you guys can do it. But we'll do maybe one, maybe a few of them. We're going to start off with the first one. Now, the general idea. Let's actually. Can we go into game mode 1? If not, that's probably a good thing, to be honest. Okay, cool. It won't actually let us fly. I'm sure you could cheat it so that you can fly. But, essentially, look at all... The map is crazy. Let's be real. The map is crazy. But, what we want to be doing is finding all of the locations through the clues we've got in order that we've done the clues throughout the week. So, 1 to 6. Oh, a little chest here. I believe this is used for one of the clues, so I'm going to grab it just to get hold of it a little bit early. Look at that crazy tree, crazy tower. This place is just absolutely insane. I'm going to run around for a little bit. So, the idea... Oh, baby, there it is. There it is. It's a giant version of a cube. It looks absolutely insane. So the idea is to find all the locations, and then at each location there should be a number. And essentially, if you climb all the way up there on the left-hand side, just like the cube in real life that's in my garden, there's going to be an area where you can actually enter in the codes that you found through 1 through to 6. And if they're right, it will give you access to the middle of the cube. I'm not sure what's in the cube. I don't know if it's going to tell... I don't know what... I don't know if what's in that cube's going to be what's in my cube, or if just the numbers you find will basically allow me to access my cube. So the first one is where the blue leaves bloom and fall. So that's a fairly easy one. There are a lot of blue trees, but clearly that one is the biggest. So let's go and explore, my friends. Let's go and explore the big bad tree, baby. Look at that tower. The final clue is ascend the tower straight to heaven. And that definitely looks like, geez, that's so sick. That is absolutely insane, baby. Absolutely crazy. So let's go and check out the tree. Please don't die. Please don't die. Please don't die. Oh, I actually almost died. Actually almost failed. And I actually forgot to open up the chest as well, because there's a little bit of a guide in here as well. I'm going to grab all of this stuff. So let's take a look at the guide as well. This works in your trust. Exactly. Do not cheat, guys. Do not cheat. What a clue. Blue, red on blue will let you through. Oh, interesting. Interesting. There's clues as well that are being given to us. It's so much fun. So hopefully you guys will be able to access the map and sort it out yourself. If you've done a lot of Minecraft stuff, you'll definitely be able to do it. But I definitely want to do one of these myself. Now, it says, what was the clue again? A clue. Red on blue will let you through. How do we even get through to the first tree? This is, oh, hello. Hello, baby. Oh, we found it. Sick. So, we found the first clue, and the first number to crack the code is apparently 6. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That is sweet. So I think I'm going to leave the rest up to you guys, because it's a big map and it will take me a long time to explore it and to find it all. So what I need you guys to do, download the map, give it a go, and when you find the order of what you think is the right code, leave it in the comment section, tweet it at me, just get the message to me so I can hopefully, if you guys are all sending me the same code, I can assume that's going to be the right one, and then try it out on the actual cube itself, and hopefully we'll find out what on earth is going on. So cheers for watching, guys. Have a load of fun, can't wait to see your tweets, and let's find out what on earth is going on with FRHANK.